Hello guys, a new mining site for Shiba Inu coin for free. Like you see, after registration, reach the home page of the site. You will earn free Shiba. After registration, you will get a page like that. You will get for the first four subscription to YouTube. You subscribe to YouTube for channel. After that, it will be allocated your account. You will get your dashboard like that. You click here, you find your tasks. You go to video ads. Like we see, every video her price of Shiba. You watch video until time it's end. That's all. You watch in the browser. Like we see, this one for 15 Shiba, this one for 115 Shiba, this one for 100 Shib. Like you see, for 100 Shib, this one. You watch all. Like you see, this there is a huge number of videos here. You work daily in this site. You click in dashboard here. For withdraw, you click in your account here. You go to your setting. You click in setting and you add your wallet BEP20. You add your Shiba in your wallet BEP20 in setting. Like you see here, you find your withdrawal. Like you see, this is your address. You choose for withdrawal. You choose if you have referral, you will get some advantage balance in your referral. For activity, we work in activity balance. You click in activity balance like that, and you put the number here. Like you see, I have 1,720 sheep in my balance. I want to earn more. Like you see, this is my recent earning. Like you see, this is how to earn free Shiba. It's a new site. All link will be in description, also on the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.